Obi Boko, Afambo, Okoma Samuel Ikechukwu. Nation from Uzi, Nidata North Local Government, Imo Province, Biafran land. I'm a proud Biafran, based here in Russia, currently serving in Russian army. As you can see, I'm making this video from the front. So this video is for Simon Ekpa. Lately, friends draw my attention on my viral award video and some of photos you are using on your platform. And to me, it is not welcomed. I think the first thing you should have done is to, first of all, seek my consent. I don't belong to any autopilot. You understand? I have a Russian family, and there is a need to defend the Russian Federation against terrorist NATO. And I volunteered. You all know that we Biafrans, we are the most bravest people in the world. Are there known Biafrans in American army currently serving? Are there no Biafrans in the British army? Why don't you use their photos? Why must it be me? So bro, it is totally unacceptable to me. So today, which is 12th of May, I mandate you, bro, take down every of my posts, every of my picture and videos on your post. Because personally, I don't believe in what you believe. I don't even know who you are. I don't even follow any of your page. Any of your page, I don't follow. I have never even commented on any of your posts or any of your viral video. So please, my brother, take down my posts, my photos and videos from your page with an immediate effect. I'm a very serious guy. I don't do those shit with you guys, okay? Yeah. My second home is Russia, where I'm holding her documents. And there is a need to defend it, and I'm here to defend it. As a proud Biafra. So please, friends, help me share this video so that it will get to Simon Ekpa. And for public notice and for reference purpose, don't allow yourself to be scammed or manipulated by any chance with my photo on my video. There are so many of my videos that are on Russian social media as a black guy fighting for Russia. So it's something that is not common. So my videos are going viral because here this is a modern war. Everything you are doing on the front line, drone copy you, video, helmet camera or body camera cover you, all those things. So there are lots of my videos on Russian sites. Probably that is where he got those videos from. And I don't want my video or my photo to be used as a means of manipulation for any kind. Do you understand me? I'm a proud Biafran, and I'm proud for who I am. I don't belong to your autopilots. I don't believe in your chain of operation, you know? So to me, it's a red line using my photo on such thing you do without my consent. So when you're Simon Doy and the model, there are so many Biafrans in American army. I wouldn't know Omar I can send to him. There are so many Biafrans in British army. So why would my own be different? So help share this video so that it might get to whom concerned. And don't allow yourself to be fooled. Okay? I don't know who Simon is. I don't know him. Since 3 days, I've been trying to get either his email or his WhatsApp or any channel because here I can't operate Twitter. I can only operate Facebook. So I can't reach him. And I have proof. I have written to the Facebook social media and some people whom I have already written to get me his contact, but to me it's taking time. So I wake up this morning with a write-up that's got me pissed. That's why I'm doing this video. So Simon, or whatsoever you call your name, Prime Minister, I don't give a fuck about you, bro. Just don't use me for that shit. On a very, very serious note, brother. Don't do it. Don't do it. I don't like it. Don't do it. So the ones you've done already, take it down. And public, don't be deceived, okay? We are Biafrans. Nobody will take away Biafran from us. Nobody. Anywhere, my child will identify as a Biafran. You understand? That is what I'm proud of. My father fought for this. Okay? So, and fuck you with your, oh, blood.
Only person to preach Biafra to you and you will listen are those who are under our central command, IPOB, of course, with Radio Biafra. Anything else up on the Yoshika Habu. I must warn you. These are vultures and they are vagabonds that are very poor and wretched. They think Biafra is the means through which and by which they can survive. These are wretched people and failures in their field of endeavor. Don't say I did not warn you. Don't say we never warned you.
Welcome viewers to Biafra Battle Cry TV. Biafra is our religion, and here in Biafra is where we worship. We are loyalists to the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We should be careful and distant ourselves from Fulani double agent and commander-in-chief of gunmen in exile, behind the flag of our oppressor. Thanks for watching.